Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. How do I fold my shirts? Now I have this tip for folding your shirts when you go on a trip or visit a relative or friend's house and they don't take up more space. I had already put them on, but this way, apart from reducing space, they won't unfold if you have to take something out of your suitcase or go through inspection at an airport, train or bus, and so you don't have to rearrange it and waste time doing it. Let's see how we have to do it. We take the shirt and stretch it on a flat surface, in this case the bed. But as we had already said in a previous video, it can be a table, the floor, carpet, etc., wherever you feel comfortable. The only difference is that we are going to fold the bottom of the shirt outwards. It doesn't have to be perfect or anything, just as even as possible, just like I show you on the screen. And now you'll see why. We start folding our shirt as if we were going to arrange it in the traditional way, but once we have folded the sleeves, we take the upper end where the neck is and start rolling it as tight as possible. And when we get to the end, we will find the fold that we had made. And there we are going to put the lump of the shirt as shown in the video. First we put one side in, and once we are sure that it is well tucked in, we do the same with the other. And as you can see now, it will not come loose at all even if we move it or take it out of the suitcase to find something we need, or in case they check us at an airport or somewhere else, and there will be no problem afterwards to put it back together. I'll put it back to normal time, so you can see that it's not difficult at all, and it's quite fast, and you'll be able to have your suitcase much better accommodated, and without the risk that when you take out anything, everything you're carrying will move, and it will be very annoying to have to put everything back in place again. As you can see, there are really 3 simple steps, which are 1. Fold the shirt, 2. Fold the shirt, and 3. Roll it up until you put it in the fold we made previously, and that's it. Everything well secured without coming loose, as you can see on the screen, and ready to put it in our suitcase or backpack and start enjoying our trip. As you could see, it was just a twist on a piece of advice I had already given you before, but this way you won't have to worry about all your clothes getting out of order if you have to take something out urgently, like a pair of socks or a shirt or anything else you can think of. Since it is well attached, it will not unfold, and you will be able to access everything in your suitcase. I did not test if it can be done with pants, since not all of them have elastic, but with some pants it will surely be possible. Do it yourself and tell me in the comments if you could do it, and send me photos to the Facebook page, and we will publish them there. As you know, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances, give it a like on the Facebook page, and check out the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very useful. Thanks for watching us, and I hope this advice has been useful to you. As always, see you in the next videos. Thanks.